Ultra UV2 Ballast Replacement Instructions. Before proceeding, you must follow all the safety precautions to avoid any hazardous situations which can result in minor injury, serious injury, or death. Always disconnect the power source to the unit and turn off the pool pump. Never look directly at a lit UV lamp as it may cause injury or blindness. Always wear safety glasses. Paramount's Universal Ballast Replacement Kit includes all the components needed to replace the ballast and is applicable to all Ultra UV2 units. Please note, not all wires will be used for your specific unit. Remove the bonnet and identify the configuration of the Ultra UV2 unit you are working on. Configuration 1 is identifiable by the removable ballast mounting brackets and the bulkhead connectors. Configuration 2 is identifiable by the integrated ballast brackets and the terminal block. Removing the old ballast. First, disconnect all lamps from the old ballast by pressing the release tabs on the connectors and pulling apart. Then disconnect the ballast bulkhead connector. Second, remove the ballast by unscrewing the mounting screws and lifting the old ballast from the unit. Wiring the new ballast. Begin by connecting the input wiring harness and lamp wiring harness to the ballast. Connect the colored wires to the corresponding colored inputs in the end of the ballast. If you need to remove the wires for any reason, use the supplied wire connector tool. Attach the new ballast to the mounting plate with the input wiring harness on the same side as the bulkhead connector. Connect the bulkhead connector and the lamps to the new ballast. If you are replacing two ballasts, repeat these steps. Once completed, reinstall the bonnet. Connect the power source, turn on the pool pump, and then ensure the lamp is on. Removing the old ballast. First, disconnect all lamps from the old ballast by pressing the release tabs on the connectors and pulling apart. Then remove the nut from the grounding post and remove the ballast ground wire. Locate the terminal block and loosen the screw on the lower left side to disconnect the white wire. Next, disconnect the black wire connected to the ballast from the pressure switch. Second, remove the ballast by unscrewing the mounting screws and lifting the old ballast from the unit. Wiring new ballast. Connect the green ground wire to the green input, the white single neutral wire to the white input, the black pressure switch wire to the black input, and either the one lamp wiring harness or two lamp wiring harness to the new ballast. Connect the colored wires to the corresponding inputs in the end of the ballast. If you need to remove the wires for any reason, use the supplied wire connector tool. Attach the new ballast to the mounting plate with the black pressure switch wire on the same side as the pressure switch. Connect the white neutral wire to the lower left screw on the terminal block. Connect the green ground wire to the grounding post. Connect the black pressure wire to the pressure switch. Note, if you're replacing two ballasts, use the white double neutral wire. Connect the double black pressure switch wire to the pressure switch. Connect the green ground wires to the ground posts. Connect the lamps to the new ballast. Once completed, reinstall the bonnet. Connect the power source, turn on the pool pump, and ensure the lamp is on. If you have technical questions, call Paramount at 1-800-621-5886 or email paramount@oneparamount.com. To order replacement ballasts, visit your local distributor.